Welcome to this meditation session for restoring your soul. I will be allowing some frequent breaks during this session for contemplation, and so I encourage you to keep the volume level of my voice low so as not to be startled. With that said, I invite you to start by finding a comfortable space. And if you like, you can gently close your eyes or also focus your gaze on a spot across the room. Whatever is most comfortable for you. Begin by focusing on your breath energy, naturally in and out. Each time you breathe in, feeling the air fill your lungs, and with every exhale, releasing tension and stress. Imagine yourself releasing this tension from both your body and your mind. Letting go of any anxious thoughts, and also physically releasing those tight muscles, such as behind your eyes, in your neck and shoulders, and releasing the muscles in your legs. And as you continue this exercise of breath focus, muscle relaxation, let's continue by grounding ourselves in the present moment. Again, every time you exhale, imagine yourself letting go of the weight of the day. Allowing your mind to just be open to suggestion and free from intrusive thoughts that try to control us. Take a minute or so to focus on this now. Great. And as you are hearing these sounds of nature and feeling present and at peace, I now invite you to shift your focus inward. Acknowledge any emotions, thoughts, or sensations present within you. Just observe them as they come and go. And then without judgment, just allow each thought to float away, just like a leaf in the breeze. Take a few more moments to observe this now. And now, I invite you to bring your attention to the center of your chest. Feel your natural breathing patterns continue, and imagine the pulsing of your heartbeat. Remember that this is the source of life within you. Recognize the strength and love that you have inside of you. Know that you are worthy of love and kindness, and you deserve to feed your own soul, to restore your own soul, first and foremost. And then that allows you to help and heal those around you in such a deep and meaningful way. And as you feel the sense of your chest and heart center, you can even imagine it starting to glow within you. Feel it like a warm light, a light that symbolizes the love you have for yourself, your acceptance of yourself, and your commitment to restoring that space within your soul every day to find deep joy and contentment, being present for each moment. With each breath in and out, let that glowing light spread wider and fill you with positivity and self-compassion. As we focus on this for just another minute, starting now. And as we move into the last part of this session to restore your soul, I encourage you to expand on your awareness of self by reflecting on one thing that you are grateful for today. It could be a gesture of kindness, a small moment of joy or contentment, anything that made you feel a sense of positivity. Embrace feelings of gratitude. Allow it to fill your heart and soul with warmth. I also encourage you to affirm to yourself that you are enough. You have a deep and caring soul, and that soul is worthy of love and happiness. You give care and compassion, and so you are also deserving of your own self-care and compassion. Remember these words and repeat them daily, allowing them to resonate within you. You can even say them toward yourself. I am enough. I am worthy of love and happiness. I am deserving of self-care and compassion. As you reflect on this, I encourage you to keep these feelings of light and energy with you throughout every day and night. Remember that you always have your breath to focus on, and you can always use it as a means to gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. And as you start to prepare to come to the end of this meditation session, if you like, you can wiggle your fingers and toes a bit, just starting to stretch out and reawaken your body. Remember to carry your sense of peace, self-love, and rejuvenation with you as you continue on in the coming days. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. And remember that healing, peace and presence, and a deepening of your soul are available to you anytime. And you can unlock it within your own mind by continuing to practice peace and presence. I hope that you continue to find happiness, contentment, and joy by nurturing yourself and healing your soul. The spoken portion of this meditation ends now.